Welcome back to Ultimate Rebuilds. In today's episode, I'm back on the Nissan Figaro. We got most of the parts painted, but there is a few left. Fenders, the cowl, and the front grille. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding those down, get them ready for paint, and then we'll throw some paint on it. Hopefully we can get the car back together in this episode. Hopefully. Stay tuned.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it's that. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You want it honest, I'm giving you my hand. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
Alright, we finished painting it all, and this took like a couple days, honestly. Just waiting for paint to dry, and then sanding it back down, putting more paint on it, waiting for it to dry, all that kind of stuff. We had some body work to do on some panels, so. You might have noticed that I repainted the door. That's because a bug flew in it back when I painted it before, and also something happened with the clear coat where it looked weird. So I just figured I had the extra paint, so I might as well sand it down and repaint it. So that's why I repainted that door. But anyways, while we're waiting for this to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and help my dad out with building a fence for our yard because we're expanding our backyard. So let's go work on that. Alright, fence is all done. We expanded the backyard. There used to be a white fence right here blocking off the backyard and this, but we wanted this gate here just so we can put like all of our important cars back here. No one can get to it, and we've had a problem with people stealing stuff back here, so we don't have to worry about that anymore, and the dogs have a bigger yard to run around in. right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the Figaro, and we're gonna go ahead and start putting it back together. Alright guys, we're kind of at a weird stopping point. I can't really put anything else back together. One, because the doors, I need it taken apart so I can put the mirrors on. I haven't painted the mirrors yet because I wanted to ask you guys, should I paint the rims same color as the top? I think that would look pretty good. It would kind of make it all match. They have these original covers that go over the tires, or over the rims, but I think they look kind of ugly. And they just look weird, and I think I like the look of the rim better. You guys tell me what you think. Should I paint them the same color as the top? Because I have a little bit extra paint that I should be able to do that. And I'll paint the mirrors the same time as do that, if you guys want that. But yeah, I can't put the door together because I'm waiting for all that, because the glass has to go in like last, because I can't get to these bolts with the glass in. Just kind of wait for parts, for like the top and everything, so I can't put the trim back on and all this other stuff. Like I'm waiting for things for the taillights too, the new chrome plates, because a lot of them are messed up. So yeah, I'm kind of at a weird stopping point. I don't have everything aligned yet because, I mean, I'm still waiting for stuff. So I mean, this gap is way too big. It needs to, the door needs to push back this way a little bit, and this fender needs to be pushed back a little bit more too. This side I got pretty close to being aligned. Do you remember how close this gap was? I mean, it's still a little too close. It needs to be pushed back a little bit more. The front needs to go up a little bit more, but this gap's pretty good. I could probably throw the gas tank on. You guys might have noticed I didn't paint the inside of this because it has all these really cool stickers, and you know, the paint's not that bad, and I didn't want to take off all these stickers and sand it all down, so I kept it all original. Maybe I can start taking apart this interior. I need to take off all these panels and scrub them down and repaint them and like fix like little cracks, like you can see that crack right there. And then I need to recover the top, which I've never done that before, but that should be good learning experience. Gotta find new leather that will match this, that's like okay for the sun to sit in, so it won't like discolor. All right guys, that's gonna be a wrap for this episode. Sorry it was like kind of weird. It was like staggered a lot. It's because I was waiting for paint to dry, and I was also helping out my family for a few days with backyard stuff, like building that fence and a bunch of other stuff. But hopefully we'll be back on a normal schedule pretty soon. I got all the parts in for the mini bike, so next video on that's coming up pretty soon. Also, I have a few other things to paint. I got the Jeep doors to paint. Also, I have a headliner to recover out of a Maserati. We're going to be doing that also in the next episode. And yeah, kind of at a stopping point with this. I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll tackle the interior in a few episodes, but can't do a whole lot until more parts come in, and then we can start finalizing everything and hopefully get it out of here. But in the meantime, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, and thanks for following me on Instagram. I did a live Instagram thing a few days ago. It's actually almost a week ago now, and I was playing blackjack with you guys, and that was pretty fun. So I'll leave the link to that, or my name, Instagram right here. Hit a follow, hit a like on there if you want to. And my email, as normal, still there. Alright guys, I am going to end it there. Goodbye.